Dialogue between two friends about their hobby. Hello, how are you?
Fine, by the grace of Almighty God. And you?
I am also fine. Let's play cricket.
Sorry, I have to go home.
But why?
I have a hobby. And it is gardening. And I work there in the afternoon.
Where is your garden?
In front of my reading book.
How do you pursue your hobby?
I plant the seeding and take care of them regularly. I water them and weed them regularly. I grow flowers and vegetables in my garden. Vegetables are very useful for our health and the flowers are very beautiful. When the flowers bloom, the garden looks very beautiful. The flowers charm and amuse me with their sweet scent and beauty.
I think your hobby is interesting.
What about your hobby?
My hobby is to play cricket with my friends. In every afternoon I play with my friends. And I keep my body fit by playing cricket. And my mind also remains sound as it lives in a sound body.
Your hobby is also very interesting.
Okay, thanks, I have to go now.
Okay. Bye. See you next time.
Talking to a stranger.
Excuse me.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Yeah, just need to ask you one thing real quick.
Fire away.
Which headphones are you using? They look very funky.
These are skull candies. The model name is Crusher.
If you don't mind, may I get a sound check?
Okay. There you go.
Wow, it is amazing. I was not expecting this. I have never been an admirer of skull candy.
Yeah.
How much did it cost?
6,500.
Amazing product at such a low price. Sound quality is extremely good. I mean, I could literally single out the sound of every musical instrument being played, the drum thumbing, the bass throbbing, the heavy guitar riffs, everything.
Yes. Skull Candy is coming up with some really good products nowadays. You can try out other models as well, like Hush and Up Rocks. These models are mirth and capable of giving anyone to feel orgasm.
Oh really? But now you have germinated confusion in my head.
What confusion?
That which model is the best?
Well, you have tried one yourself. For others, you can go and check in the reviews on the internet.
Yeah, I sure will. By the way, sorry I forgot to introduce me. I am Harsh. I am a BCom final year student at Hansrai College.
I am Sakshi. I work with Gent-Backed. Oops, my turn has also come. Time to get off. It was nice meeting you, by the way. See you around.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Bye.